plantain porridge. But let's.
Oh na na na, it's our.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If this is your first time, you are very welcome. May God bless you for branching, you know, for making a grateful, I don't know what to say, for making a very bold step, for trusting me. Thank you very much. Hope you're feeling my red tips, you know. And for those of you that have been here, God bless you for trusting and keep watching. You know what I'm saying? You know when you tell some people to notice your hair, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Today, guys, I'm gonna be making you guys porridge. I'm gonna be making porridge today, guys. Yeah, it's one of my favorite dish to make. Like when I say favorite, I just know it's right here. When I want, you know, this particular dish, like, oh, it gives me some kind of vibe. It gives me some kind of ginger. You know what I'm saying? Like it's warm. It's that kind of food that you see, especially when it's now spicy. Oh God, it's warm. You just be eating and it's delicious but spicy. You know, you're just going to be, you know, taking in the goodness. You'll not be able to even stop eating, even though your mouth is burning. But you know what I'm saying? So it's one of those food that, like this winter time, I just want to have it like almost every day. Yo, I'll sit down and eat porridge. Like, but it's not just any porridge, plantain porridge. What did I say? Plantain porridge. That's it. So I just want to share how and what I use in my own plantain porridge. You know, you can use any other stuff like if you want, but yeah, I'm just going to share my recipe with you guys, and I hope you like it. Please, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, please, and click the rest button, subscribe, please. Let's get into the video before the plantain will just overripe anyhow. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please do share this video, and God bless you guys. See you later. But before you go, you know what I'm saying? Let's just, you know, do some mixing kind of thing here. Let's start making the porridge. Oof, plantain porridge. But let's. So I have plantain here, a little bit ripe, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be using because I don't really like ripe plantain. And I've been boiling my water like 5 minutes before. So yeah, I have dried crayfish, like the big size ones. I'm going to be using that one because I love crayfish. I also have chopped onions, roughly chopped. It doesn't matter how you cut your onions, as long as it's going to enter your food. So just decide to chop it anyhow. I also have blended crayfish. Yeah, I love crayfish. I'm also going to be using blended pepper, and it's not that blended, let's put it that way. And inside this I have onion and atarodo, which you know as scotch bonnet. You know it as scotch bonnet. And I also have bell pepper, just because I don't want it, you know, because the atarodo I'm using is extremely very spicy. I had to just reduce it one way or the other. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be adding stockfish, and this guy right here, I had to boil it like for an hour. So my own was just sinking of stockfish, just because I want it really soft. I also have red oil, palm oil. I'm going to be, you know, using palm oil. I don't know how to measure, but whatever it is you want, just add the amount you know it's enough for you. Like that. But if you guys also want me to do a video of how to use
the normal frying oil to do porridge, let me know. It's actually delicious, guys. So let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to do that. So we're just going to stir this guy and add more palm oil. I'm going to be using KNORRCUBES. This is like my favorite Maggi on it. Yeah. So I'm going to be using that. This one has 2 cubes in it. I got to choose among them other girls, you stand out for me. Listen, any one of them, yes, don't get my out for me. So now I'm just going to cover it to boil, you know, all the sugar your cocoa. Everything should just combine. And here is the fish I dried myself, so I just added a little bit of salt to, you know, also mackerel, and I just threw it in the oven, and yeah, here it is. We have our fish for porridge. If you guys also want to show you how I did that, I can do a video about it. Let me also know in the comment section. I'll be happy to do a video about it. I'm just going to mix this guy here. You can see the glory of the porridge shining like you guys should look up for me. I just want more crayfish. I'm going to be adding water to, you know, help this plantain guy boil, just because I don't want it to burn. I'm also going to be adding extra water to it. Me have it to the eye, to the E for your love. You're looking at me like so I tested for salt in Maggi. It's not enough for me. I'm just going to be adding more. 2 extra cubes of Maggi. And I'm also going to be adding salt. This is sea salt, and the reason why I'm adding salt at this point is because I'm using crayfish. So key points: if you're using crayfish to cook anything, add the crayfish first and then add the salt later. If the salt in it is not enough, because crayfish, they are very salty. Once I did not tell you. I'm going to cover this again just to allow those things to combine. Yes, Lord. So I'm also using fresh shrimp, and these ones are also frozen shrimp, but they've been pre-cooked. So, but you can use the normal one, like the ones that have not been cooked. You can use that one. I'm just paying for it for my name. Sit back, relax, let me give you feedback. You're looking at me like anybody. Give it a stir. This guy, what you wanna see? Every day, mama, it's you I need. Need to cover it to allow the shrimp to cook a little bit more. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Yes, Lord. You can see the glory of this porridge, shining like a star. I'm also using spinach here. You can use any vegetable you want, actually. Anything you want, whatever it is. You can use, but I'm using spinach here, and this one is actually really good. So I decided to reduce the heat of the stove. You don't want your porridge to burn. you know, even though the bun parts are really delicious. But don't let it go.
Fresh in the beat.
I'm going to be adding the rest of my spinach to it.
So you say you like Stephen, like to eat raw. You say you like me too, yeah, my team on my tree.
I'm struggling with that thing. So now I'm just going to cover it, you know, for the spinach to boil a little bit, but you don't want it to overcook. That's why I'm not covering the pot like fully. Look at that. Look at that. Shining on the sky. Our porridge is ready. Let's consume. So yeah guys, that's how I make my porridge, and don't forget you can use any protein you want, you know, but this is the end result. I hope you guys like it. Share this video with everyone. Okay, thank you.